Check this out, folks.
There's another one down there.
Yep. Frog on frog.
And on frog.
And there's another. Okay. I'm moving. That is too cool.
So we heard them doing, oh, look at all of the eggs. Follow that.
There's another frog on frog.
Oh, wow. Look how big these are. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. There's some more over there. This is magical. Look, right over there. They're halfway out of the water.
Yep, I see that. Pretty steep at this point. You can't really get too close, any closer without falling. So I have to just film here. Beautiful waterfall. Really pretty. Michelle found a rough green. Oh, that's nice. Yep.
I got you a rough green, babe.
Hey, rough green. You're pretty. Pretty rough green.
Yep.
Yep. Man, such an elegant snake.
Yay.
There he goes. Okay. Michelle got me a snake, I got her a turtle.
Yep.
We're even. Alright, I get to the top of this baby pretty close. Pretty nice waterfall. Creek cascade. Kind of has a little Grand Canyon feel to it. Slimy, pretty slick. If I crawled out there, I'd definitely go down pretty quick. So I'm not going to be doing that. So that frog's on top of a frog. That top frog's on top of a frog. Over here, we got frog on top of frog, a couple of them. There's one right here and there under this leaf. You can see that's frog on frog. But this guy, he's right on top. You can see him clear. So a lot of frog sex going on right now.
Look at all the eggs.
Oh yeah.
You should show them the eggs.
Yep, here's the eggs.
Strings.
There's strings, you can see them right there. You can see them really good. You can see them from there, and there. So it almost looks like he's holding the other frog underwater.
There's a frog in it.
Cool water foliage. Check that out. That's a cool cascade. Huh. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's a pretty sight. Alrighty folks, on the road again.
On the road again.
And probably right in time because the sky's darkening up. It's looking rather rainy. And it's 3:47, so by the time we make it to Mackey's, it'll be open.